Good afternoon, everybody. This is Angela and David from Wiley's Travel Adventures, and we've just arrived at Chester. We're staying in the Holiday Inn Express at Chester Racecourse, and I'll do a quick room tour for you now. I'll just knock on the door. Somebody might let me in. I wonder who it's going to be. It's David.
Come in.
Here we go, and this is our room. 308, and we have a nice bathroom here. Hi everybody. Posh sink. We've got a drawer underneath the toilet. Oh yes, like a little cupboard. Then we have a shower, a walk-in shower. And then we have the loo in the corner. Very nice. And we've got a full-length mirror with a light in it. That's quite swish. Tea and coffee. And then we have a hairdryer there. And towels up there. That's a rack. And we have double bed, and then that looks like a sofa bed to me. And bag with some birthday presents in for David down there. Little bedside tables. It's not a very big room, but it's quite nice. And then we have a desk for the businessmen and women who come and work here on a night time after they've been in their office all day or wherever. And that's a view out the window. It's an old railway line. I was hoping to be on the racecourse side, but we're not. And we're not far from the centre. It's about a 5-minute walk. So there we have it. That's the little room tour. It's not much to it, but it's clean.
Good enough for us.
Good enough for us, yeah. Good enough for us. So we're going to get it freshened up and then we'll go out for a tata somewhere before it gets dark. There we go. So I'll catch you up later when we go for a walk. See you later.